Most entrepreneurs just starting out don't have it in the budget to hire a brand strategist, designer, copywriter, and web developer. But the thought of creating all of this on your own can be completely overwhelming. Don't panic though. I'm about to bust the most common myths when it comes to DIY branding, so you don't have to stay stuck and not moving forward with your business just because you're on a tight budget. Hi, my name is Alli with Do Well Websites, and I help emerging entrepreneurs get their businesses up and running online with a standout brand and website. But how are you supposed to get up and running online when it isn't in the budget to hire professionals just yet, and you aren't sure if you're techie enough to pull it off? Myth number one, you have to be a trained designer to be able to create a professional looking brand and website. Not true. You may think that sounds crazy coming from a professional designer, but just because you weren't on the yearbook committee and you didn't take any art or writing classes does not mean you aren't capable of DIYing the visuals for your business. Creativity is something that anyone can cultivate. We all have the ability to take our ideas and turn them into something visual with a little bit of know-how and guidance and some step-by-step formulas. The other thing I'd like to point out is that no one knows your business like you. Some entrepreneurs decide to go ahead and bite the bullet and hire a professional, even if it's going to break the bank, and they still end up unhappy with the outcome. It can be tough to find someone who can get your brand voice just right and who really has a clear understanding of what your dream client is really struggling with. So whether you think you're creative or not, you can do this. I've seen it time and time again. Myth number two, you don't have the time to DIY your brand and website. Oh, I get it. You may still be at that 9-to-5 job, just dreaming about going out on your own. And where is this side hustle that everyone keeps talking about? You're spending your evenings and weekends shuffling the kids to their various activities, trying to handle the clients you already have, and tackling that never-ending pile of laundry. The way I see it though, you have three options. One, you can take the time to find a professional and pay them to do it for you. Number two, you can hold off and put your business on hold until you have the finances to pay someone to do it for you. Three, you can take the time to do it on your own. The sooner you start promoting your business, the sooner you'll start making profit. So waiting doesn't make sense if you're on a tight budget. In the beginning, you're going to have to be scrappy. The good news is, if you use the system that I teach in Simple Start, you'll have a step-by-step guide to get this done in 30 days with just a few hours a week. Myth number three, you have to be a coder to develop a website. It wasn't too long ago that you did have to hire a developer to build you a website. Those days are gone though. Lucky for us, you don't have to know code or be overwhelmed by all the tech in order to have a good looking and fully functioning website. With all of the website builders available today, you can simply drag and drop your way to easily getting your website launched now and have the capability of it being able to handle the future growth of your website as well. It's wildly worth it to quiet that inner critic in your head telling you that you can't do this and push past your fear and get your business up and running. Remember, done is better than perfect. Now, if you want to save loads of time as you DIY your brand and website for your business, you've got to go check out my Simple Start Success System. I'll put a link to the free training in the description below. And in the meantime, if you want to continue to learn to create a standout brand and website for your business, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you next time.